Welcome! It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
The kindness of strangers was far more than National Guardsman Luis Ocampo needed. His North Carolina home had been looted while the medic was helping to clean up ravaged seacoast areas hit by Hurricane Florence. After returning from helping those in need, one North Carolina soldier now finds himself in a similar fate. National Guardsman Luis Ocampo returned home after spending 10 days in New Bern assisting with Hurricane Florence relief to find his home in disarray. Ocampo found everything of value stolen from his home, including a laptop with his schoolwork assignments and food taken from his refrigerator. National Guardsman Luis Ocampo told People magazine that the fundraiser had brought in more than we expected, and we felt that it was our responsibility to show someone that same kindness that so many showed us. So Ocampo, age 24, decided to pass along the goodwill that was passed to him. We got more than we expected, and felt that it was our responsibility to show people that same kindness that showed so many to us, he told People magazine. The couple sending funds to the Soldiers and Airmen Assistance Fund, which helps North Carolina National Guard members and their families. They're also helping a soldier who's been living in a motel since a tree fell on his home. A big part of wanting to give the donations comes from seeing how generous people have been, and I wanted to pay that back to someone else who needed help, Ocampo said. Finch added that, unlike many, no members of their family were injured during the fierce storm. We're very happy none of us are hurt, she said. We are so grateful. When Ocampo was deployed, Finch went to stay with his family, leaving the couple's dog inside their home. The house had been ransacked, with clothes thrown all over. Gone was Ocampo's laptop he used for school, game systems, a gun, and jewelry. Whoever broke in through the baby's room window also stole food from the fridge. On September 21st, Ocampo returned home to find the back door open and their dog running loose in the yard. Someone came in through our son's bedroom window, Finch said. They busted the locks with a shovel and propped open the windows. The house was trashed. Clothes and other belongings were flung around the house. Whoever looted the house stole mostly electronics, including a laptop that Ocampo used for schoolwork and game systems. Other items stolen include a gun, jewelry, 2 jars full of change, and a box of coins Ocampo's grandmother had collected from around the world. The looters even took food from the refrigerator. Finch posted her boyfriend's forlorn image on Facebook, seeking help from anyone who might know who broke into their house. Friend Mary Elise Capron saw it and took the matter a step further, establishing a fundraising page for him. I've worked closely with Ocampo in the National Guard, and he's an amazing soldier in person, Capron wrote on the GoFundMe page. I'm honored to know him and cannot believe something so terrible could happen to someone so dedicated to the service, his family, and school. So the couple asked Capron to shut down donations, with Finch noting that she and Ocampo didn't want to abuse people's generosity. Still, benefactors wanted to keep giving, so Ocampo and Finch decided to pay the generosity forward and began redirecting the additional donations. Other people really need help that they can't get, Finch said. Ocampo and Finch are sending money to the Soldiers and Airmen Assistance Fund. The couple is also giving some of its money to a soldier who began living in a hotel after a tree fell on his house during the hurricane. A big part of wanting to give the donations comes from seeing how generous people have been, and I wanted to pay that back to someone else who needed help, Ocampo said. Finch adds, we're very happy none of us are hurt. We are so grateful. Mary Elise Capron, who organized the campaign, said she's worked closely with Ocampo in the National Guard. She wrote in a post on the fundraising page that she cannot believe something so terrible could happen to someone so dedicated to the service, his family, and school. The Charlotte-Mecklenburg Police Department is looking into the incident. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.